Three.
Shalom, shalom. Welcome back to the channel. You are watching Journey with Us, an entrepreneur family of 7, traveling, living our best life throughout Africa, specifically the southeastern regions. And so today, I need to tell you about the number one mishap education consultants have when they're trying to start, market, and find different client acquisition so their business can be profitable for more than just a few years. Number one, you need to stop this, okay? You need to stop. You need to shift your mindset and stop thinking that you can do the bare minimum marketing to get the results you're looking for. If you're one of those people who is saying right now, I'm an introvert, by the way, I'm an introvert too, first of all. You may not be able to tell, but I really am, because I push my limits and put myself out there even when I'm uncomfortable. So if you as an introvert, you're like, oh, I don't really want to show up. I don't want to do videos. I don't want to be on camera. I don't want to speak to clients. I don't want to even show my education process. I don't want to educate people online. Then ma'am, sir, you don't really have a business. You have a hobby, okay? Shift that mindset. The bare minimum marketing is going to get you bare minimum revenue. So I'm guessing that you don't actually know which marketing tactics you should be using and where you should be showing up. So I'm just going to give you a little free information right now. Number one, you can choose a social media platform like YouTube. People use YouTube so much. It's one of the most sought out search engines besides Google. So Google and YouTube right now like work in tandem. And so as an education consultant, if you had a finance course for ages 5th through 7th grade, teaching them how to budget, how to start their own business as children, how to save, how to invest as children, how to do whatever in the stock market, whatever the finance curriculum is, if you were to make content like that on a schedule, on a cadence, 3 times per week at least, and show up, you are going to be attracting the right caliber of people, and people are going to find out who you are. Because the thing is with social media, in your mind, you're thinking, oh, people are getting tired of me. But in reality, on social media, child, only 2 to 3% of your audience base actually sees your content at any given time, which should tell you that you're going to have to do more work. Now, along with having your YouTube channel, but you can also do like Facebook, Instagram. It doesn't have to be YouTube. It can be a podcast. Now you have this main foundation of social media. This is not all. A lot of people stop here and wonder why my business won't grow. This was just step 1. Now you need to get to step 2 in the buyer awareness journey. With awareness, during the social media phase, they're learning who you are and they're learning about their problem. Phase 2, now that they're aware of who you are and what their problem is, they need to be solution aware, where you're going to tell them your exact process, your exact curriculum, okay? What's your proprietary process? What's your curriculum like? What is packaged inside of your offers? You're going to do this through building an email list so that you can create a free resource like an ebook, a webinar challenge, or like a checklist that's going to help the audience see the exact process so that they can make the buying decision and say, okay, is this the right person for me to work with to get to point Z where my children understand finances, right? If that's the end goal. Step 3 is sales and retention marketing. Retention marketing is just how it sounds, where I'm retaining the client and I'm creating loyalty so that I have people on my email list, on my YouTube, on whatever social media channels you're using. Not only are they your clients, but now they're referring other people to you, and they have that retention and opportunity to get into other offers that you have, which could be a coaching program, or maybe you're facilitating the growth of the parents, or maybe you're doing one-off consultations, whatever that looks like. This is the main mistake that education consultants make. And I'm so excited that I get to shift this mindset for you, because today in Black Educators Amplified, we're on week 8. They're at the end of the program, about to launch their education consulting businesses. One is actually focused on like the COVID era reading comprehension, which was a very niche specific offer, which was awesome. We went through her pricing, and so she has her value-based pricing and she's ready to launch. Another one, she is actually taking a different approach to reading comprehension and pulling back phonics into the curriculum, because a lot of people just don't know how to read these days in America. And so I'm so excited for them. I'm hopeful to see what you will do inside of Black Educators Amplified. And if you're interested in learning more about the program, I actually created a free ebook for you, absolutely free. It's complimentary. I created it last week because I know you're the type of person that needs to see things written down on paper so you can make the decision that's going to work best for yourself, for your family, for your legacy, and for your business in the long run. Now you can check out the link down below so that you can access it. Talk soon.